What is your work saying? Is it filled with purpose or lost in the known? This July, the youth are awake, feet aligned, hearts refined. We walk in the Spirit.
We don't stumble in confusion. We stride in conviction. We don't chase the train. We follow the wind, the Holy Spirit leading us in fire and in truth.
I am alive.
I am a kingdom builder.
I'm the salt of the earth.
I am a warrior.
The world is waiting.
From 8th to 11th of July 2025, heaven will kiss the earth. Something will shift at the Restoration City, 9 a.m. and 4 p.m. daily. Because when you burn, the world will notice.
Pastor Peter Eze is leading the charge with Pastor Courage Imolore and Pastor Hodgins Eze, voices forged in fire. And our esteemed spiritual parents, Apostle Johnson and Dr. Lizzie Suleiman, will be releasing mantles to a generation of people who refuse to compromise.
It's not just a conference. It's a calling. It's a hunger meeting. It's an upper room. It is the International Youth Conference 2025 with the theme, Walking in the Spirit.
More than just a conference, it's an encounter.
We walk in light. We walk in truth. We walk in fire. We walk in purpose. And we walk in the Spirit.
8 to 11 July 2025. The time is 8 a.m. and 3 p.m. daily. Venue, Omega Fire Ministries Headquarters, Restoration City, Kilometer 132, Benino, Kenya, Abuja Expressway, Auchi, Edo State, Nigeria.
See you in Auchi.